Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you rotate text in Canva. To rotate text in Canva, you need to follow the steps. So here, first thing, open a Canva application and type in canva.com on the browser. After which, what you want to do is here, you want to go ahead and click on create from the left hand side corner or from the top right. And go ahead and click on the template for now. After which, the field will look something like this. So here you want to go ahead and tap on a text bar. You could go ahead and click on add text, just drag and drop. Now when you have these texts over here, as you could see right at the bottom, there are two different icons. This is the one that is going to help you out to rotate. So if you hold on to it and then drag it down, just make sure to hold on to the left side of the mouse, and this is how you could go ahead and rotate it. Maybe you could keep it something like this. And if you want to move this text somewhere in the right or maybe in between, then you have to hold on to that particular icon, the cursor icon, and then here it is. So this way you'll be able to remove. This is how you'll be able to rotate the text in Canva. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.